Introducing the Hoover TurboPower high-performance vacuum cleaner for when reach means everything. Simply plug in and the long 12-meter cord allows you to go room to room without unplugging. And vacuuming your stairs couldn't be simpler with the 13-stair stretch hose. With 4 onboard tools, simply attach the 4.5-meter stretch hose to reach those hard-to-clean places for all your cleaning needs. Multi-cyclonic, no loss of suction, and Hoover's advanced airflow technology combine to deliver independently tested outstanding cleaning performance. The powerful Pet Turbo tool loosens and lifts stubborn pet hair. Introducing the Hoover TurboPower, high-performance cleaning with exceptional reach.